Hi! This video is part of a series about getting to know your Smartboard interactive display with IQ. In this video, we'll learn about the Files library. The Files library can contain whiteboard sessions, Smart Notebook files that have been shared to the display, imported PDF documents, and screenshots. To open the Files library, go to the home screen and tap the Files library. To start a new whiteboard, tap the Whiteboard tile. You can also open a saved whiteboard, a screenshot, a Smart Notebook file, or a PDF file. Just tap the tile and it opens in the appropriate app. If you've connected a USB drive, files on the drive are visible in the Files library. Open the Files library, tap the drop-down menu, and select USB files. Then tap the file you want to open. Please note those files are not saved to the display. If you need to delete a file from the Files library, you'll need to enter Edit mode. Tap and hold the tile until the background turns black. Select the files you want to delete by tapping them, or tap Select All to select all the files. Then tap Delete. Don't forget you can rename a file by entering Edit mode and tapping its title. See Getting to Know Your Smartboard with IQ Technology, Home Screen Part 2 for more information. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks, or visit smarttech.com. Thanks for watching.